Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav classes. Our contact number is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 98367930076. And our email ID is sourceclasses@gmail.com. So if you have any mathematical queries, doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID, which is sourceclasses@gmail.com. Okay. So then you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Sourav classes, like you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions and our online classes. So that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations like ISI, CMI, TIFR, NVHM, etc. And you can and also CUET PG statistics, data science also. So please feel free to contact if you need any help from us. Okay, so now we are going to solve a problem which is appeared in the CUET PG statistics paper. And the question is telling us that limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x to the power 1 by x minus e upon x is, there are four options here, which are e minus e, e by 2 and minus e by 2. Okay, so what can be done? So we are tasked with to evaluate the limit, which is limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x to the power 1 by x minus e upon x. So this is an indeterminate form of type 0 by 0. So we will use a hospital rule to evaluate it. Here's the step-by-step solution. So now we are going to solve. Okay. So now we are going to expand this thing. That means 1 plus x whole to the power x. Okay, so this is what? This is e to the power 1 by x ln this. So as we know that our expansion of ln of 1 plus x is equals to x minus x square upon 2 plus that is x cube upon 3 plus dot dot dot. So now, so thus we can say that 1 plus x whole to the power 1 by x is equals to e minus of this is x by 2 plus that is x square upon 3 minus. Okay, so now we are using it in here. So now for small x we can take that e to the power this thing that can be then written as, that means approximated to this, as our x is so small, as we are taking our x is so small. Okay, so now we are going to substitute it into the limit. So let us see what happens. Okay, so now we can write that our limit L is equals to x tends to 0 e to the power e into 1 minus x upon 2, and here we get this thing, and minus e upon x. So then what we will get? Okay, so that is also can be approximated into this, as our x is so small. So let us erase this thing. So we can write that limit x tends to 0, our e into minus half plus x by 3. Okay, so only we are getting this thing, as our limit x tends to 0, then x by 3 will also go to 0. So finally we are getting minus e upon 2. Okay, so in an alternative way we can take us in this manner. So let me shift the screen. Okay, so if we take fx is equals to 1 plus this thing, and our gx is equals to x, then as x tends to 0, our fx and gx will both appear to 0. So we are using L Hospital rule. So limit x tends to 0, we are now getting f dash x into g dash x. So then what we will get? So now f dash is equals to I think we have to use the previous method, so that will be easier to see. So let us take ln of fx is equals to 1 by x ln of 1 plus x. Okay, so our f dash x by fx is now minus 1 upon x square ln of 1 plus x into 1 by x into 1 plus x. Okay, so then what can we do? So then we can write that our f dash x is equals to 1 plus x whole to the power 1 by x into the whole term in between this. That will be ln of this and plus 1 by x into 1 plus. Okay. So now at x equals to 0, we can see that our this thing will go to minus e by 2. This is a very easy answer of it. So now we can say that the correct answer of this question will be our option D, which is telling us that the correct answer will be minus e upon 2. So again, I am telling that if you have any other mathematical queries, doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID, which is written in the screen. Then you can join as a student to our institute and uh, you can excel in your examinations. Okay, so hope you understood. So thank you guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.